Assalamu alaikum. Here's a mango tree, which is quite young. It's not that old. And you can see some mangoes on it. Alhamdulillah, very nice, beautiful. But this is not what I wanted to show you today. I wanted to show you something else. It's a bit dark in there. I don't know if you can make it, but there's a nest, and it's a nightingale's nest. A little while ago when I was passing by and I saw it, it was a bit windy. There was a storm type of conditions, and she was sitting on the nest. But now well, actually you can see too, there are some chicks in there. Well, she's arrived back with some food, perhaps for some food for them. But you know, it's so satisfying that whatever we are trying to do is helping the nature as well as we go along. And the most surprising thing for me was that I don't want to scare the bird off, but kind of like it's not that high up there. It's easily approachable. If you're just standing there and you reach out, you can reach it. Generally, I think the birds are not that comfortable this close, making a nest this far low, but here it is in front of us. And alhamdulillah, what it means is that whatever we are doing, alhamdulillah, is helping. I'll show you the view of this tree from the other side too, where on the other side there's more fruit. So here is the view from the other side. Alhamdulillah, there's plenty of fruit on this tree. Inshallah, let's see, let's hope it ripens and we can enjoy it. So here is our small patch of beetroots. It's not a lot, and we have been using them, consuming them for a while. I've just picked a couple of them. They're decent size, very nice. And I was thinking of picking a couple of, one more perhaps, that would suffice us. Bismillah. Yeah, so alhamdulillah, good size. 3 of them should do us. Some pretty flowers as well, along with the vegetables that we're growing. I quite like that. I quite like to add a bit of color to where we are growing the vegetables. There are not a lot of them, but alhamdulillah, it looks nice when you're working around and there are butterflies and stuff. Beautiful colors, alhamdulillah. Here's a bed of orange Wellington. It's a beefsteak variety of tomatoes. Alhamdulillah, plants are coming nicely. There are some chilies planted alongside the tomatoes. On the other side, this bed here is this is supposed to be mortgage lifter. I got the seed from somebody online, but it does not look to be that. I'm not sure if it is going to turn out to be that, because the formation of the tomatoes, the fruit, it doesn't look like mortgage lifters. It's egg-shaped. They're not egg-shaped tomatoes. Let's see. These ones here are brandywine, and something new to me. I have not grown them before. Let's see. I've read good things about it, so I'm trying them for the first time. So I've got a few of these plants. There are a couple of other varieties that I've got, and I'm not sure which one is which. This is one of them. It looks like beefsteak variety, the style of the plant. This one here is a cherry tomato. I think it is Sun Gold. I've got the name written somewhere, but not on the bed. I haven't got any marking. So perhaps this is Sun Gold.